All right, so we are working here. I have got the Anycubic. This is the H-Gen 2 top on it. This is the Kobra X. So taking a look, we're just running one color right now, so I'm testing it out. I'm doing one color. What I love about this system is a couple of things here I'm going to tell you about it. Their interface is super sweet here. So as you can see on the interface side of things, really, really cool. Let me see if I can zoom it in for you guys. Take a quick look. Woo! On the interface right there. So super, super cool with regards to it. It's going to tell you the printing progress. It tells you what you're printing, kind of a picture of it. It tells you the temperature of everything. Tells you the you have a pause and a stop button, and then you do have other features on the left side that you can run through from a settings perspective and everything between. Just makes everything super simple. You can see how quiet this bad boy is. It is super, super quiet. And what I'm going to do is on another video, or maybe right now, we'll do a little quick comparison of the Adventure 5M, which is in the back there, and you can hear the difference. Maybe we'll do a print comparison of that. Let's see if I can drum up another print and make that happen. So let me fix this camera up a little bit, give it a little turn, and see if you guys can hear that in the background as I go over to the Adventure 5M and turn that bad boy on, maybe start up a print as well. So got it over here, sliding off some of this stuff. So you can see me in the background. Let me go ahead and turn it on. There we go. So this is the FlashForge Adventure 5M. You can hear this one. I'm kind of setting up some different stuff here, trying to mess around. I'm going to put these side by side to do a couple extra things for you guys. But on the FlashForge, you have a smaller bed. So 260 by 260 on the Anycubic, and then you have a 220 by 220 on the FlashForge. So that is going to be one big difference that you're going to be able to understand. You got 4 different filaments that you can play with on this one, and then a single one, which is going to be on the back here. Now you can already hear so much louder right there with regards to it, but that's okay. This thing is an absolute workhorse for a single print color. So as it's loading up, we'll let it do its thing. You can continue to hear everything working here with the Anycubic Kobra X. All right, so on this one, let's go ahead and take a look. I've got a couple things here. We're going to go ahead and do this one. Extracting files, so we can do this directly from it. And we should be able to extract the file, and you can hear the difference. So hear how quiet it is now. It's going to go ahead and set the bed for it. Kind of set everything up, which is important. All right, we do have our color on the back, which is important there, and you're going to be able to hear. Let's see. Let it start. It's heating up. Super cool. You have the temperature gauge on the top right of everything. That's something that would be back there. Let me see if I can zoom that in so you guys might be able to hear that as well on the back one. So right there is going to be your gauge. And you do have the screen right there. So on this unit, now it hasn't started printing, and I have noticed that the print head is a little different on this one. So the way that print head is set, it actually works by moving the bottom instead of the actual print head. So it kind of works down, but everything's going to be showing from up top. Let's see if we can get a difference here of the print speed and the sound. See what we got here real quick in it. Don't mind me. There we go. It's trying to follow me around the camera. Oh my, I'm not very good at this stuff. All right. So, as you can see, everything right there makes it super simple to use, and it's working everything over there. So let's see what it's got going on. Just thinking about it. So we're out to 48 degrees Celsius currently. So everything's just heating up. 48, 47, 18 degrees. So we're seeing 2 different temperature gauges popping up. Over here we're at 220 and 60. So it's got to heat up everything to get the print going. That is the most important part. Really, really important there. All right, so I don't know. We're just gonna have to bear with me. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take. All right, I can hear it going. Can you hear the motor in the background? You can already hear that kick in, which makes a big difference. So pretty cool design stuff that you can do with each one of these. I do think that's really cool and important, so you'd be able to see what you have going on. You can already hear the motor and all the stuff going on with this one much quicker. So that is something to kind of notate with regards to everything. The motor is going to be much quicker with regards to it all, and louder, or the fans are a lot louder on the Anycubic Adventure 5M. The Flash Forward Adventure 5M and the Anycubic. You're not going to hear the same motors here. It is so much quieter. You can hear that one in the background running like crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Big difference there with regards to it. Check out that. So it's kicking in, super loud, and that's just a big difference. Like, is it louder than the other one? I'm not sure, but at the end of the day, you're going to notice some big differences between the two. One's a slightly framed unit, whereas you have this big open unit here that you have. So just wanted to show you guys a couple differences between these two units. Super cool to be able to play around with each one and see what they have going on. So check them out.